Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add bulleted lists in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Also, don't worry if this is your first time using Google Slides, you're a beginner, or even if you're just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. If you're interested on other videos like this, such as tutorials on other Google software such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and many more, we already have created a dedicated playlist that combines or compiles all of those tutorials in one specific playlist. So please be sure to check it out. And also, if you want to watch a beginner's guide on how to use these softwares one by one, let's say for example you want a brief introduction on it, the basic functions that you can do on it, we already have a video for that as well. So please be sure to check it out and hit that subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel. Also hit that notification bell so that you will be notified on every upload that we make. Now, before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using, either you are using Google Chrome, you are in Mac operating system, or you are in Windows like me, is completely up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now, as you can see in my Google Slides file, I have here a sample of bulleted list, and this is what we are going to make for today's video. Now, all you have to do, it's actually quite simple. Now, let me remove it first so that you can follow along. Now, to click or to add a bulleted list, all you have to do is to click on a specific text box. If you have not, or if you still don't know how to add another text box, then please be sure to check out the tutorial that is already uploaded on our YouTube channel. Now, click on the text box that you would like your bulleted list to appear, and then on your upper panel right over here, as you can see, we have the ribbon here. All you have to do is to find this option, which is the bulleted list option. Click on it once, and as you can see, it inserts a dot right over here. Or if you want other icons, you can press the drop down menu right over here, and as you can see, we got multiple icons right over here. We got the diamond one, we even got the box one, and many more. But for now, I would like to keep it simple and click on this circle one. So by default, it will be the circle one. Now, to add a content, all you have to do is to type in the content. And then from here, if I would like to insert another bullet, all I have to do is to press enter once, and now as you can see, it inserts another bullet, and then I can type in another content. Now, let's say for example, I would like to go back to the default format. All I have to do is to press backspace on my keyboard, and now as you can see, it removes the bulleted list format. Now I can add in another text right over here. As simple as that, we can create multiple bulleted lists on our Google Slides. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.